Children? Okay. In distinguish between, I gave you 5 answers. Understand? We'll continue that. Okay. 6th answer now. 6th one is what? Spit and bar. Spit and the side bar. Okay. The first point. A split is a ridge or a spit is a ridge or embankment. E-M-B-A-N-K-M-E-N-T. Embankment. Understand? Of sediments. Embankments of sediments. Sediments, comma, attached to the land on one end and terminating in open water on the other end. And bar, first point. A bar is an elongated deposit of sand, shingle, or mud found in the sea. And second point, spit. Spits are common. Spits are common at the mouth of estuaries. At the mouth of estuaries. And in this second point, it almost parallel to the shoreline. Bar is almost parallel to the shoreline. Okay, so distinguish between is over. 6 you have in your book. Spit and bar. A spit is a ridge or embankment of sediments attached to the land on one end and terminating in open water on the other end. A bar is an elongated deposit of sand, shingle or mud found in the sea. Second point, spits are common at the mouth of estuaries and bar is almost parallel to the shoreline. So, the distinguish between is over. And now, I'll give you the detailed answer. That is Roman letter 7. Answer in detail. Answer in paragraph answer, that is. Detail answer means paragraph answer. I'll read out the question. First one. Write a note on weathering. Classify and explain. You have to explain about weathering. It is in, the answer is in page number, will mark in the page, book. Understand? Page number 167, 68, 167, 168 and 169. You just turn over the page. You just take out your books. Take page number 167. Here, weathering. Can you able to see? In the pen I marked detail answers. First detail. Weathering is a breaking in disintegration and decomposition of materials of the earth's crust by the exposure to atmosphere. There are 3 types of weathering: physical weathering, chemical weathering and biological weathering. And one, அப்படின் போட்டு physical weathering underline பண்ணணும். Okay. அதில் it is the breakdown. From that 3 lines. The action of physical forces, first point. Then second point, the constant freezing. அதில் இருந்து eventually. அது வரைக்கும் எழுதணும். Physical weathering. Actually, children listen carefully. Weathering, இங்க இருக்கா, the paragraph weathering is a breaking. அதிலிருந்து start பண்ணி இந்த 3 இதே மாதிரி points எழுதிட்டு 1 போட்டு physical. இதை explain பண்ணணும்ல, explain. They ask you to explain it. So, physical weathering underline பண்ணி it is the அதிலிருந்து eventually வரைக்கும் எழுதுனா போதும். That is enough. Okay. Then next one, next page. Chemical weathering. The last, chemical weathering. Okay, page number 168. Chemical weathering, underline பண்ணிட்டு disintegration and decomposition of rocks due to from there till first paragraph. மேல first paragraph வரைக்கும். Okay, till this first paragraph. Carbon dioxide, hydrogen and water. Till that, இது வரைக்கும் போதும். Enough. Then next, third one, 3 weathering இருக்கு. அதனால next page in 169, you have biological weathering. Can you able to see this 4 lines? Biological weathering occurs due to the, from there till some human activities. Till that. So, they are asking you about weathering. What is weathering? And explain its type. 3 types: physical weathering, chemical weathering and biological weathering. அதை மட்டும் explain பண்ணா போதும். அதோட parts எல்லாம் நீங்க no need to explain. Understand? So, இது வரைக்கும் நீங்க எழுதுனா போதும். Can you able to follow? This is the first detail answer. Okay. And we'll pass on to second detail answer. That is, explain the erosional landforms formed by underground water. That is in page number, second answer. Page number 172 and 73. 172, 173. Take page number 172. Here. Here you can see erosional landforms of underground water. From here you have to write. இங்கேருந்து இந்த பேராகிராஃப் எழுதிட்டு டெரரோசா 1 போட்டு டெரரோசா 2 லாப்பீஸ் அதை எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும் 3 சிங்கோல் and 4 caves and caverns. Till this you have to write. Page number 172. இதிலிருந்து start பண்ணி 173ல the all types of deposits in the caves and caverns are collectively called spelotherms, which includes travertines, tufa and dripstones. Till that second detail answer. Ella heading you have to underline the heading terrarosa, lapis அதை explain பண்ணணும் sinkhole and the paragraph you have to write and caves and caverns you have to write. Okay, that is second paragraph detail answer. And the third one, what is a glacier? Explain its type. I'll give you the notes. Understand? Notes I'll give you. Third one, third paragraph. Answer. Notes in போட்டுக்கோங்க. I'll write it on the board. Understand? And notes on board. You write. Then it will be easy for you to see. And the fourth one, describe the depositional work of vents. It is in page number 175 and 176. Page number 175, 176. Take page number 175. Here. Depositional landforms of wind. Can you able to see? Depositional landforms of wind. Some of the depositional landforms are sandens, bachens and lios. Other one you have to explain. Okay. Sandian, bachen, transverse dens, longitudinal dens. And in next page 176 lios. Till this you have to write. Lios irka inge. Argentina, China, the pampas of Argentina, in Ukraine and in the Mississippi Valley of the United States. Till this you have to write. So these are the detailed answers. Understand? First one, it is in page number 167, 168 and 169. Okay. And the second one is in page number 172 and 73. And the third one, third answer, explain about glaciers and its type. I'll write it on the board. Okay. Miss, the முடிச்சிட்டு next the board la எழுதி போடுறேன். Understand? And the fourth answer, it is in page number 175 and 176. I told you, children, all the side headings you have to underline. Then only I'll give you mark. And the answers, paragraph இருக்குல்ல, அது வந்து நீங்க paragraph அப்படியே ஃபுல்லா எழுதக்கூடாது. Point by point you have to write. இப்போ sentence அப்படின்னு போட்டால் அதில் point மாதிரி எழுதுங்க. 5 lines, 6 lines அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்காங்க paragraph மாதிரி. Don't write like paragraph. You just ஒரு full stop வரைக்கும் இருக்குல்ல, start பண்ணி full stop வரைக்கும் இருக்கிறது, you just write point 1. Then next point 2, second gap it. அப்போ நீங்கள் நிறைய எழுதுகிறபடி இருக்கும். Can you able to follow? So it will be easy for the teachers to correct it. நீங்கள் அப்படியே அழகாக எழுதியிருக்கிறது will give you the full marks. In 10th standard also public examல நீங்கள் like that only you have to write. Then only you can get more marks. Understand? Only in this lesson exogenetic process la all the answers I gave you except this third paragraph answer. This paragraph, third paragraph only I didn't give you. Is it not? Yes? And the notes on board அப்படின் மிஸ் எழுதியிருக்கேன். இப்போ இந்த next I'll give you the notes. I'll write it on the board because it's the direct answers. You don't have the answer in your book, textbook. So, நான் notes எடுத்திருக்கேன். அந்த notesலேருந்து I'll write it on the board. Okay. Next class. Understand? Just take down in your classwork notebook. Learn well, thorough it. This lesson is come for your half-yearly examination. Tell your parent to pay the balance fees. Understand? Then only they can admit you to write the exam as well as will correct your papers, or else we won't correct your papers also. Okay, children? So, tell your parents to pay the balance fees, and also ஸ்கூலில் வந்து 25% உங்களுக்கு ஸ்டார்டிங் ஃபீஸ்லேயும் லெஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, மந்த்லி ஃபீஸ்லேயும் லெஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ டெல் யர் பேரண்ட் அபவுட் திஸ். இஃப் யூ ஹேட் எனி டவுட் அபவுட் ஃபீஸ் பர்டிகுலர்ஸ், யூ ஜஸ்ட் மேக் அ கால் டு அஸ். ஃபோன் பண்ணலாம் நீங்கள், ஆர்எல்ஸ் நீங்கள் நேராக வந்து கேட்கலாம். வில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் யூ. நிறையா உங்களுக்கு ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க ஃபீஸில், நிறைய அமௌண்ட் கம்மி ஆகிருக்கு. அதனால உங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு தெரியலன்னா நீங்கள் சொல்லுங்கள். அதனால தான் ஐ எம் சேயிங் டு யூ through this video call. Understand? So tell your parents that is 25% starting fees le less பண்ணிருக்கோம், monthly fees le நம்ம less பண்ணிருக்கோம். So tell your parent to pay the fees, balance fees. Understand, children? Learn well. In the next class I'll give you the notes for this paragraph answer, detail answer. Okay, children? Learn well. All the best for the exam. Thank you. Bye.